Good day, students. Emmanuel Fazal is here, your mathematics teacher of class 8. Today, unit number 7, polynomials, and this is part 2 on this unit. Students, previous already you have done on polynomials. What is coefficient? What is variable? What is exponent? Now today, degrees of polynomials is our topic. Coefficients. A coefficient is a constant which is a multiplier of the variable or variables in a term. So students, coefficient always we will put before the variable. In example, 3x, xy and minus 5 under root y. So watch here. Here is coefficient is 3 and this is constant. X and y, you are watching here. Here is no coefficient. We are watching in number. But consider if there is no constant. So you will watch here is one constant. So it has one coefficient. And same like if there is no sign, so we will consider the sign plus. Here is minus 5 under root is our coefficient. Write coefficient of the following polynomials. So students, here is 4 options and options are 3, 4 under root xy, 2 under root x cube minus 3 under root y4 minus x. So in first option, 3 is a constant. Here is no any variable. 4 under root xy. So 4 under root is coefficient. 2 under root and minus 3 under root is our coefficient. Minus 1. Here is, we are watching, here is no constant. So consider here is 1. So minus with sign minus 1 is a coefficient. Degrees of the polynomials. Linear polynomials. First is, whose degree is 1? Degree mean the power of the variables. In examples, 5x, 2x, plus 3y, 5x, minus 9y, minus z, and x upon 4 plus 4 are called linear polynomials. So students, watch here. In first example, 5x. So watch here. Here is no power or exponent. But we will consider its power or exponent is 1. Here is 2x. 2 is a coefficient, but the degree is 1 because it has power is 1. Y is also power is 1. X is also power is 1. Y has also power is 1. Z is also has power is 1. And X is also power is 1. So students, these are all linear polynomials. So the linear polynomial has degree 1. Then degrees of polynomial in second is quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomials whose degree is 2. So students, degree of 2 mean variable has power 2. In example, xy, 1 upon 3 y square, 2xy plus 3 under root p square plus q square plus r are all quadratic polynomials. In example number 1, we are watching x and y. X is power 1 and y is power 1. So we will add the power. So 1 and 1, 2. So this is quadratic polynomials. Y has already power 2. So this polynomial is a quadratic. 2xy, we will add the power 1 and 1, 2. P already power 2. Q already power 2. So these are all quadratic polynomials. In degrees of polynomials, students, the third is cubic polynomials. So cubic polynomials whose degree is 3. 3 mean power of the variable should be 3. So in examples, x square y, x y z, 3x plus 1, x cube, y cube, and 5pq square plus 2p square plus 5q square are all cubic polynomials. Now watch the examples. Here is this polynomial, here is coefficient is 1, but now come to the powers. Powers 2 and 1, 3. So x square y is a cubic polynomial. Here we will also add the powers. These are the 3 variables. So x is 1, y is 1, z is 1. So this is power is 3. Now x already have power 3, y already has power 3, and 5pq square. P is power 1 and q is power 2. So 1 and 2 is 3. So students, these are all cubic polynomials. Now, in degrees of polynomials, the fourth is biquadratic polynomials, whose degree is 4, mean power of the polynomial, power of the variable should be 4. In example, 2 raised to power 4, x power 3y minus x raised to power 3, then x raised to power 4, x raised to power 3y minus 5, x raised to power y3 minus y, and 2 raised to power 2 qr plus pq plus qr plus pr plus 3 are all biquadratic polynomials. Now consider the examples. 2x raised to power 4. 2 is a coefficient, but it has a power 4. Here x raised to power 3y, so add the power 2 and 1, 3. Here is also add the power 1 and 3 is 4. X already has power 4. Here we will add the power 3 and 1, 4. Here we will add the power 1 and 3 is 4. Then here we will also add the power 2, 1, 1. So 2, 3 and 4. So students, these are all biquadratic polynomials. After doing these degrees of the polynomials, students, we will do activities. Activity number 1 is indicate the degree of the following polynomials as linear, quadratic, cubic, or biquadratic. Already students, you know, linear polynomial mean degree is 1. Quadratic polynomial has degree is 2. Cubic polynomial has degree is 3. And biquadratic has degree is 4. So students, here is a 5 options, and these are the 5 polynomials, and you will first you understand which polynomial is this, either linear, quadratic, cubic, or quadratic. So you will put here first x plus 2y. So watch, here is a 2 variables. X has power 1 and y is also power 1. So it's mean this is linear polynomials. Here is also 2 variables, x power 1, y power 1. So this is a linear polynomials. Here is 2xy plus y upon 5. Watch x and y. So x power 1, y power 1. So 1 and 1, 2. So degree is 2. So 2 mean quadratic polynomials. Here is x cube plus xy plus 5. So x has power 3. So this is cubic polynomials. Here is x has power 4. So it's mean this is biquadratic polynomials. So students, in this way you will do this activity in your copy. Then activity 2 for you. Find the numbers of variables in each of the following polynomials. Here is a 5 options. These are the polynomials, and you will write in numbers how many variables all polynomials has. In first option, x plus 2y. So here is 1 and 1, 2, x and y. So you will put here 2 because here is a 2 variable. Here is a x, y and z. Here is a 3 variables. So you will put 3 here. Here is a 2 variables. So you will put 2 here. This is 45. 45 is constant and here is no variable. So you will put here 0. Here is x 4. Here is also x. It's when here is 1 variable, that is x. So you will put here 1. So in this way you will solve activity number 2. Now students, here is a home task for you. Do exercise 5.1, page 88, question number 4 and 5. And same exercise 5.1, page 89, question number 6. So in this exercise 5.1 you will do these 3 questions in your copy. So students, thank you for your listening.